All right, everybody, this is box 4. This is from my pal Tajikey. Come out. He donated an entire rainbow. Superfractor, red refractor, the whole deal, all the way down to the base card in the 10 days of Christmas. And so this is his, well, at least his present. I don't know, he might have more. Tajikey, are you in the chat room at all? I haven't seen you, so I'm going to assume you're not here. And I'm just going to open it. The girls wrap these, so it is what it is. And these are all 8 boxes from a fresh case. We just open the case and then wrap the boxes up. There's a bunch of cool stuff in the present, so hopefully you guys will like it. We'll get to the present game later. I don't know quite what to do about random.org with it not working like that, but we'll figure something out. All right, so look at that. He's got a red paper of Noah Syndergaard to 5. 3 of 5 on the red paper of Noah Syndergaard. A little something, something, huh? 3 of 5. Try to get more light over here. Let's see what else we got. You know, it'd be cool if we hit him a superfractor to replace the one he gave away. That'd be pretty cool. Red Rider BB gun. No BB guns, although there are a few weapons. There are a few. I do recall there were a few weapons in the Christmas presents, so we'll see what's up. Still no auto, though. Maybe he's not going to get one. Uh-oh, got a redemption. You ready? Let's see what he got here. I'm going to hit this cord all night long, I can tell. Jonathan Gray. Nice. Nice. That's the cool thing is if you hit a redemption, you probably hit a good card. Most of the redemptions are, you know, Meadows and Gray. A couple other guys have a few redemptions, but got a blue in this one. May see it. Oh, it's gonna be not an auto. It's just the Matt Kemp whatchamajiggy. Uh-oh. Oscar Mercado auto. So that's 2 autos down. But no color or anything yet. Ian Hagenmiller. Oscar Mercado. No, Dustin Peterson. So no color auto, pal, but you did get some cool stuff. The Bidler refractor, Clint Frazier chrome, and 2 packs left. And 1 pack left. Alright, now these other 7 boxes, they're going to go to the people in the thread. They don't have to be present, but if they are, well, we'll get to that. If they're here. We'll get to that. Alright, bud, so this is what you have here. Dustin Peterson, Oscar Mercado, Jonathan Gray, and Noah Syndergaard, 3 of 5 red paper. So, not bad. Not bad at all. So let me save your video.